not to relax, but to be even more vigilant in this our moment of triumph. The motherland cannot thank them enough. Yet we all realize that more is required of each and every one of us to redeem our promises and proceed to create a truly just society for our people. This is just the beginning. The same spirit which animated our campaign and has led to our triumph will once more prevail by the power of the people and by the grace of God.